Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are enjoying your life now. So today we are going to discuss about nucleophilic substitution reaction in haloarenes. The question many times asked in the examination, why haloarenes do not show nucleophilic substitution reaction, why they are less reactive, why SN1 reaction is completely ruled out in haloarenes, what are the reason for this. This question is very important type of question, and it is many times it is asked in the final examination also. So today we will discuss about the reason why it is happening. So there are four possible reasons, one by one we will discuss. The first reason why why haloarenes are less reactive toward nucleophilic substitution reaction. The first reason is resonance. Students, as we know that more the resonating structure, then more the stability of the molecules. So here we can see in haloarenes what will happen, electron pair on the halide are in conjugation with the pi electrons of the ring and formed these resonating structure. Here you can see the electron pair on the chlorine shifted themselves into the next carbon, and then they shift into the next carbon. So here we can see on the ortho position the electron density will be more, and at the same time the chlorine will carry the partial positive charge and forming a partial double bond between carbon and chlorine will be formed. And at the same time you can see once the electron density is more on the ortho position, it shifts its electron into the next carbon, then the density shift into the para position, and it goes like this only. It's just like we play the pass game. Once we are enjoying our life, what will happen, we pass the ball from one, he passed the ball to another, so they are just enjoying. In this molecule they are just enjoying, the electrons pair are enjoying to pass from one carbon to another carbon, so they jump like anything because they are inside the campus, inside the circle. Inside the circle they don't have any kind of worries, they can enjoy their life, electrons. Okay, so now ultimately what will happen, the electron density shifts to the ortho, then para, and then again ortho, and finally it goes to the chlorine, and again we will jump into the first structure, resonating structure. So we can say due to resonating structure the carbon chlorine bond acquire partial double bond character, and therefore the bond cleavage is difficult. See, if you have one single thread and you have been asked to break, right, you can simply break the thread, and at the same time if suppose the thread is just doubled and then will ask, okay, now break, then definitely you will have to pull out with the double strength. So what will happen, the partial double bond between carbon and chlorine is there, and it is more stronger than the single bond, so it bear the double bond character. So the cleavage between carbon and chlorine is difficult because of these resonating structure, and as I have told you, more the resonating structure, more the stability of the molecule. Okay, the next one is difference in hybridization. See, in haloalkene, what is there, Rx is there, Rx. In Rx the carbon is present in sp3 hybridization, and in sp3 hybridization 1s 3p is there, total 4, 100 divided by 4, 25s character, right? And here in haloarenes the carbon is present in sp2 hybridization, 1s and 2p, total 3, 100 divided by 3 kitna ho gaya, 33% s character. So more the s character, then more tightly the carbon chlorine bond, carbon is holding the bond more tightly, the electrons in the bond has been carried more tightly by the carbon. Less the s character, then the carbon Cl bond is less, we can say less tight. So as we have talked about the S character is more in sp2 hybridization and it is found in haloarenes, right? So what will happen, ultimately it affect into the bond length. The bond length in haloarenes is 169 picometer, 169 picometer, and in haloalkene the bond length is 177 picometer, right? So in which the bond length is high? In haloalkene. The shorter bond length is present in haloarine. So shorter the bond, more tightly they have been held to each other, and it is more difficult to break the bond. So therefore, because of hybridization, it is very difficult to break the bond between CCl. Okay, now next is instability of phenyl cation. See, in nucleophilic SN1 reaction, what will happen? The first of all, in haloalkene, what happened? The substrate has to leave the halogen by taking the electrons by its own and moving away and changing the substrate into carbocation. How does carbocation is formed? Once the halogen leave, then carbocation is formed. At the same time, if we look into the haloarenes, what will happen? The chlorine will not lose automatically. Why? Because see, the electron pair of chlorine is also taking part in the conjugation, also taking part in the resonance, also taking part in delocalization of the ring. So how it is possible that everyone is enjoying the game and one can go by its own? ऐसा नहीं है, सब enjoy कर रहे हैं तो एक कैसे उठ के चला जाएगा without any reason? It's not possible, because all they are just going through this electron is shifting from this. So the electron pair of the chlorine is also taking part in the resonating structure, in the delocalization of the ring. So it is very difficult for chlorine to just move by its own. Even by its own, if it is move, अगर ये अपने आप से चला भी जाता है, then what will happen? The delocalization is disturbed, completely destroy. If delocalization of electron will destroy, then the possible resonating structure will not be formed. The resonance will also be destroyed, and it is not allowed by the molecule. Why? Because it is ultimately because it is for their stability. If delocalization is destroyed, then the stability will also be destroyed, and it is completely not allowed. So carbocation in case of haloarenes will not be formed. If carbocation is not formed, then how does SN1 reaction will take place? It is completely ruled out in case of haloarenes. So SN1 completely ruled out in haloarenes, because SN1 reaction is not possible, because carbocation is not formed by haloarenes, right? So next reason is repulsion. See, if we talk about the nucleophile is a species which is electron rich, and here we can see this species is also electron rich. So both the species are electron rich, so it is less likely for electron rich nucleophile to go and attack another electron rich species, that is haloarenes. So why? Because both they are carrying the same charge, so same charge repel each other. So because of the repulsion, right, because of the repulsion, the substitution, nucleophilic substitution reaction will not be take place. I hope you enjoy the video and understand the things. If even any doubt, you can comment on the comment section. Thank you so much.